If you're seeing a Pixlr 504 error, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to figure out whether the problem is on Pixlr's side or on your device, and then I'll show you the exact fixes that can get you back in quickly. This is especially useful if Pixlr won't load, keeps timing out, or throws a gateway error when you try to open a project. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, we need to check whether Pixlr is actually down. Open your browser and visit a status checker like iSays down right now, or any similar website that reports live service outages. Search for Pixlr and look at the current status. If the service is down, stop there. There's nothing on your end that can fix a true server outage. In that case, the best move is to wait about 15 to 30 minutes and try again later. But if the status checker shows that Pixlr is up, then we can move straight into the local fixes. The first quick fix is to force refresh the page. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. This is different from a normal refresh because it tells your browser to ignore the cached version of the page and download everything again from scratch. That alone can solve a lot of loading issues. Next, test Pixlr in Incognito or private mode. Open a new Incognito window in your browser, then go back to Pixlr and try loading the site again. If it works in Incognito, that usually means one of your browser extensions is interfering with the connection. Common culprits include ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or VPN extensions. If that happens, go back to your main browser and disable those extensions one by one until you find the one causing the problem. Another important step is to disable any VPN or proxy service you may be using. If you have a VPN turned on, switch it off and try Pixlr again. If you're on a work network or using a proxy, disconnect from that as well if possible. VPNs and proxies can add extra delay or routing issues, and that extra latency can push the connection past the 504 timeout limit. Now, if Pixlr is up, Incognito didn't help, and the problem is still happening, your local browser or network data may be corrupted. The next step is to flush your DNS cache. Think of DNS like your internet phone book. If it stores old or broken data, your browser may struggle to reach Pixlr correctly. On Windows, press Win and R, type CMD and press Enter to open command prompt. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. If it works, Windows will clear the DNS cache and rebuild it the next time you browse. After that, clear your specific browser cache. Go into your browser settings, then find Privacy or Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select Cached Images and Files. For this issue, you usually do not need to delete your cookies or history unless you want to, so focus on the cache first. Set the time range to all time so everything related to the corrupted site files gets removed, then confirm the action and reload Pixlr. This step is helpful because cached files can get stuck, damaged, or outdated, and that can keep a site from loading properly even when the service itself is fine. After clearing the cache, try Pixlr again in a normal window. If it starts working, the issue was likely stored browser data or a bad extension conflict. If it still doesn't load, restart your browser and even reboot your computer or router just to make sure the connection starts fresh. In many cases, one of these steps will resolve the Pixlr 504 error without needing anything more advanced. The key is to check the server first, then test your browser, then clear the local data. And if you want more easy tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe because I post simple step-by-step fixes that save you time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.